Hello guys, today I will show you how to install Sqlmap in your Termux in Android. First you have to make your terminal update and upgrade. For making update and upgrade, you have to type apt update and apt upgrade. It will update and upgrade. After making this one, go to your Google search for the Sqlmap GitHub. After searching it, click the first one, and clicking it, copy the code in the green color box, copy it and come back to a terminal and paste it here, clone it here by typing get clone and paste the link you copied from there, paste it. It will take some time in your terminal, guys. I already installed this one, that's why it's showing for me like this. After making this one, make ls for the list. After making this one, search for the Sqlmap, it's here, copy it and change the directory. For the change directory, you have to make cd and copy that Sqlmap. After make again ls for the list. After you have to install the Python language in your guys. You have to install Python language. It will work in the Python language, guys. So you have to install the Python language, guys. After installing the Python language in your terminal, you have to type Python 3. After you have to paste this one, sqlmap.py, not the down one, the first one, sqlmap.py. Paste it. After pasting it, it will start to open. See, it's all successfully installed, guys. Thanks for watching. I will show the full practical video in my Telegram channel, so you can see my full practical video there, how this tool will work. Yeah.